Hello, it's Tracy from Tracy Lee Textiles. I just got this morning. It's only a quick video. I just want to share with you what I've got. And it's a TWSBI. So it's come from Larry in New South Wales, in Australia. Let me get it open, have a look. I did order a TWSBI last week and I got it and I absolutely loved it. Got it on my Chic Sparrow. So that's it there, that's my blue. This is the beautiful pastel blue. And I've just got some black ink in it. This is a fine nib and I absolutely love it. That's my phone, you can probably hear in the background. And it's the, oh, look at the little stamp. Larry Post Surprise. So there's one in here for me and the other one's for my husband because he liked it so much. He wanted one. So I'll keep that little sticker. It's all nice and safe. Oh, it's really well wrapped. Which one's which? Oh. Okay, this is the ink I've been using. I've been buying this from a little place in Brisbane called the Pen Shop. So it's the start of my journey. So let's see what colour. Oh gee, they're really good snibs. That would help. Take that off. They're really well secured, that's for sure. There we go. Ah, oh, this is my one. Look at it. It's beautiful. So this is the pastel pink. And this is also in the fine. I like the fine. So that's the, I haven't got an ink for this one yet. So I'm thinking of getting something a little bit bright coloured, or maybe a nice, like a coffee coloured ink, tea stained ink colour. So that's the pink and the blue in the pastel, both in the fine, in TWSBI. And inside you get a little ratchet to open it up. I found I didn't need this. I found just doing it by hand, I was strong enough to open it and to do it. So as you probably all know, you stick it in the ink and suck it all in. And they also say just to let a little bit out if there are any air bubbles and then to bring it back up. So I won't do that at the moment because I'll probably make a big mess. And then you get like a little, like a silicone grease. So I haven't used this before, so I'm not really sure how this works because I haven't had to use it. As I say, this is all still new to me. So this is my second TWSBI. And my husband, he got these stickery things are very sticky. Okay, so he got the white one. Oh, the white's beautiful. I like the white. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's really nice. He got the super fine. He likes a really fine nib when writing. Even though he's a graphic designer and everything that he does is all computerized, but he does love to write. So this is the Eco TWSBI. They're all Ecos. So that's the three of them together. Why don't they look pretty? pretty. So I do want to get the coral. I've seen the coral colour, so maybe that'll be next to my collection. So this was just a little quick video just to show you the TWSBI. This is the one I'm using in my Chic Sparrow at the moment. It fits in there beautifully and loving it. Okay, thank you. Hope you all have a good day. Thanks for hanging out and watching. Okay, bye.